Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Redmi Note 14S. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and then go to Google. Then go to all services, and now you have to find parental controls. Then click let's do this and click sign in. And now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. And then click more and accept. Now click on supervise. And then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And you have to enter your parent password. Now I have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. Click allow. And now I have to scroll down and click next. And then click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.